back to the Experience Pros Radio Show with Angel and Eric. Oh my goodness, buckle your seatbelts. You're about to meet a superhero in real life.
All right, you have to explain that.
All right, so I'm a geek. I'm a techno geek. I have made web design for years and years, started back in 1992, and used to win awards for my web design. And let me tell you something. When I met Donna Galassi at Blue Zenith Web Design, I hung up my badge and said, I need you in my life now and forevermore.
Well, we do have Donna Galassi. She is our hero. She has created not only our website, but many of the people that we know. Blue Zenith Web Design. They are a boutique web design company. She says your business, your organization is unique. It deserves a unique website, not just a template. Our hero, Donna Galassi. Welcome to the Experience Pros Radio Show.
Good morning.
Donna, very nice to have you with us.
Did you know you were that amazing?
Yes. Tell her all the time.
Yes, I hear it from other people.
Well, all right. So when we think about web design and putting a website together, there are a lot of options for us, Donna. I mean, you know, like Eric said, he could do it himself, and sometimes it looks like it. Like we do it, like, you know, when you have a do-it-yourselfer, it sometimes looks like it. There are some freebies out there. I went to, do you remember, Eric? We went to a conference, a seminar, where the gal on stage was saying, go to this free place, this free website, and it's all these templates and free. You don't even have to pay for it. And I was just mortified because I knew there were some web designers in the audience.
Who had sponsored the event.
Yeah, that was not great.
Embarrassing.
All right.
You talk about responsive web design. What does that mean?
Responsive web design was designed for all the multiple tablets, the multiple devices that end up needing to show a website, rather than having a different website or a different layout for each. Responsive web design works within your single template. Now, I'm a WordPress development shop.
God bless you.
So with that, I have a lot of different options, and there's many different themes out there that have responsive built into the theme itself. And what that means is that your pages will lay out according to the device so that it's readable.
It's good for your smartphone. It's good for your tablet.
Exactly.
It's good for your small computer and your large one.
The same website will respond?
Yes. What happens is there's a desktop version where it looks the way that you always see it when you're on your desktop. When you take your browser window and make it smaller, you'll see, like for tablet size, a 3-column site might get squished, like a little bit narrower, 3 columns. Right. But if it's 2 columns, it fluctuates, it responds to the layout.
That's amazing.
Flows your information differently.
Yep.
So that it's readable.
That is like the best outfit in the world. Like, you've got this outfit that goes day to night. It responds to the situation.
Exactly. Yes. That is exactly the benefits.
Only you can make web design about fashion.
I think it's brilliant. We need it to go day to night, right? We need our website to go mobile, to desktop, to tablet.
Donna,
yes.
is there ever a time when somebody says, you know, I don't want responsive web design for like a mobile solution? And when is that, and what happens there?
Yes. I don't like to say there's one size fits all and one solution is for everyone.
Sure.
If your visitors are coming to your site and you want them to find your location easier, and you might not want to have that on your desktop version of your site, you might want a mobile display to be somewhat different and have a call me button and a find me button and something slightly different than what you would be showing to your other visitors. So for that, there are other solutions so that you can incorporate your business logic, what makes sense for your visitors, and show that. And
it's nice. So, I mean, we talk about, okay, you would think, okay, it's going to respond. We all want that every single time, but not necessarily. And that's where you bring in your expertise, Donna.
Yes.
Because you work with individual businesses, working individually with their needs, and you can help them assess, do you need responsive or do you need not?
Exactly, yes.
You know, Donna, one of the things that I love so much is, and I tell everybody, anybody that asks me about my website or anything else, I tell them about you and how you were able to take the clutter that is my creative mental process.
God bless you. I just have to say.
And pull it out into a reality visually. Talk about how you do that, because I know that you're different. You're responsive to my needs as you create designs to be responsive to the end user.
Yes. One of the things I do with my clients is find out about your workflow, the process, and understand that, but also try to understand your visitors, and then rearrange that information in ways that make sense for you and your business, as well as make sense for the visitors when they come to your website, using words they know. A lot of times we're in the industry, or my clients are in the industry, they use their technical jargon, and that may not necessarily connect with the visitors. And so being that bridge between their business and their visitors helps tremendously to create a site that's much better for user experience,
right,
and works better for their business.
Okay, so, we're all it seems like everybody, when their website is going through a redesign, Donna, their whole business has to shut down. We meet so many people that say, oh, you know what, my website's being updated.
I can't tell anybody about us.
I can't do anything.
Right.
Is there a way that we can bridge that gap when people want to have a redesign of their website?
Yes. What I like, and the reason I chose WordPress, is it makes the development cycle shorter. So any of this process ends up being a very short process, a few meetings to get all the background information, the back and forth between the development and implementation, and then we can very quickly release. So it isn't where they're shut down for 6 months or a year. That isn't my typical sales cycle.
No, your cycle is really much more quickly responsive, quickly implemented. And the thing I also love about you, and I want our listeners to get, is you and I have coding in our background, so we talk at a different level than a lot of people, but the majority of your clients have no clue how to go into the back end.
But they don't have to.
They don't have to.
Even I can talk to Donna.
Right.
You came to me and asked me, and I get to just speak in angel words.
Right.
This is what I'm looking for, and you translated it.
Yes, and I do know that not everyone knows all the technical, and you shouldn't need to. The solution is independent of what you want it to do.
Right.
Absolutely, and I do keep that separate.
Yeah. Yeah, you sure do. Folks, Donna Galassi, Blue Zenith Web Design, bluezenith.com. You've got to check her out. Check out all the different sites that she's created. Her gallery is available on her website. She's a member of the Extreme Customer Service Directory. She built the Extreme Customer Service Directory.
She did. I'll tell you what, when we put together the directory and some different things we were looking for, when Eric came to me and said, Donna took all the stuff in my head and was able to translate it, because he'll often think that he and I are on the same page, but we just have learned to work together. You two really did speak the same language, and you were able to put what he had in his mind into a website, and you made it. It was just a really friendly and easy process, and we appreciate that.
And then you made Mama happy.
Yes.
If Mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy.
I know what I wanted. I wanted to feel pretty.
Yes.
And be functional.
Exactly. Yes.
All right, Donna, 720-273-9502. Again, 720-273-9502. bluezenith.com is her website, bluezenith.com. Check out her work. One of the websites she's done, of course, is experiencepros.com. Anything else you want our listeners to know, Donna, before we have to let you go?
Just if you need a redesign, give me a call and I'll see what I can do for you.
So cost effective, you will thank us 1,000 times over. Listen to me. She's your next web designer. Hello? Just saying. Thank you very much, Donna. We appreciate you.
You're so welcome.
bluezenith.com.